Hi there, Chris here, and Suki. Where do I start? Every once in a while I'm reminded of how far a little channel video like mine travels. And this afternoon I got a comment on a video I did, number 249, I believe. And I had picked this BSS or BS5, and this is a lock made in Yugoslavia, okay? Sent to me by a Canadian. The person who commented on it was someone living in Siberia and had just managed to get one of these locks. They're a new lock picker. They had been picking a million times on a plastic lock, a see-through one, with their first pick set. And they happened to get this lock. And they searched YouTube and found my video and left a comment. And of course I commented back. It just is, it's amazing to me. It's, I'm sitting here in Southern California, and this person is in Siberia and has watched this video and made a comment. Anyway, I said I got more videos. Check them out. Maybe they will. Maybe I'll get a new subscriber. So it's just amazing to me. But, of course, even more amazing is Suki and her powers to find Loxotica. So let's continue the adventure. She recently told me that she bought a padlock from Canada. And she wouldn't say anymore. So we will open this together and see what she has found. I think I might know what it is, but we'll have to see if I can get into it, if I can even open the damn thing. And if you watch my channel, you know she has her own laptop that's under the bed where she cruises the world to find truly Loxotica. There, I'll put that on you, Suk. So, what we have here is more packaging. Ah, Suk. And I have seen what it is, but you haven't seen what it is. And you almost haven't seen what it is yet either. Not quite, but it will become very evident in just a moment. This is I can't believe she got this. This is the Bowley padlock. It's the 54M. I don't know where I'm getting 2 from. Way to go, Suk! And here are the keys. It's a little different from this one because now the keys are even more freaky. So let's see. Let us open this lock. Now, if the guy from Siberia says, oh yeah, I just got one of those, that will be the ultimate. This is a very huge lock. All right, let me do it. So, key goes in, and you can see it sort of sets out. You turn it like that. This is only a quarter a turn. Push it in, turn it one more time, and you're in. So I don't believe anybody's picked one of these yet. They picked the other one, but this just is amazing. I mean, A, it's a beautiful lock. B, it's very, very heavy. And I don't even know if it comes apart. Probably doesn't. Shows the instructions how it works and all that. Yeah, I don't think the core comes out. But anyway, Suki has once again done it. Haven't you, Suk? She's put her paw in it and scored the Bowley padlock. I don't know what I'm more amazed at, the comment from Siberia or the Bowley lock. Although we're looking, I mean, it does appear, let's look at this a little bit more. Okay, key goes in. Key only goes in one way. Turn it up, push it in, turn it a quarter turn. Let's see what's up inside. Oh my, yeah, there's 2 huge Allen screws in there. All right, well, I'm even afraid to check that out. Oh, key won't come out with the lock in it, or is this done? Well, all right, let's see. Probably wrecked it. There is a way to screw these up. Okay, we're out. We're in. Not sure why it's not relocking. And I think there's a video out there on how to fix them if you screwed it up. Suk, did we screw it up? We might have screwed it up. That's all right. Oh yeah, this thing's, the ball, oh, those have gone across. Okay, so the little guys slide across. Okay, that one's reset, that one's reset. I think it clicked in. There we go. So now we're locked. But the key doesn't want to come out. We're unlocked. We're locked. Out and out. Okay. And I think I saw very quickly on the instructions that they're stiff in the beginning, tight tolerances, blah, 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 blah. Totally an amazing lock. I will explore this further. If we got the guts, I'll take it apart and see the guts. See what it actually looks like in there. Anyway, thanks for watching from, from here in Southern California to Siberia. Anyway, hit the like, leave a comment, say hello to Suki. We will see you next time.